Is it on? Yes, it is, Yenny. Hi, I'm Yenny. Hey, boys and girls. Hey, each other. Hey, everybody. Good morning, everybody. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. I hope I got everything right. I might have to redo my cardboard signs. First off, please check out Jordan Jacobberg's channel. I hope I get it right. I will one of these days. Hubble's Cat EPL, Andrew Hondo, Detroit Prepping, and Winging It with Irish Colleen. Welcome aboard, Irish Colleen. It's your old Uncle Al. I'll redo this in a few days. I got new cardboard. I just gotta remember where I put it. Okay, no, we can't do that yet. Nor this. Congrats to, whoops, almost lost it. Congrats to Will Patriot. All right. And here's my question, Will, for the day. Where's your 5-gallon bucket of hardtack? That's Will Patriot. He gets 300. Congratulations, Will. I'm not doing a VR, but please check out his channel. Uncle Alan's tired, and Uncle Alan's been wearing the damn machine all last night, and I emptied out 2 bags of goo, so I'm not very happy. Modern Refugee AK Fab is a really good live stream by this gentleman. Just in Time Prepping with Will Russell. And that was a round table on Monday. And tomorrow morning we have a 9 a.m. Mountain Time for Just in Time Prepping. Join, come aboard, bring friends, come during work, after work, whatever. Come and join. See, check out Will's channel. Stop by, say hello. Tell him that old Uncle Al sent you over there. Big shout out to West Wind Survival. Yeah, Wayne, it doesn't get better. It gets worse and harder as the years go by. Take it from Uncle Al. Anything else could happen to me? It will. Okay. Remember, people, during the heat wave, always have it nearby 12 gallons of water, 3 days for 4 people. Now, Uncle Alan's a paranoid, and I don't do that because A, I cheat, and B, I already have in plastic containers like Winging It with Irish Colleen, those stupid water bottles. I have 10 to 11 1-gallon bottles. Okay, that doesn't really work. Uncle Alan has the military grade big 5-gallon containers just like Anthony on Palmetto Prepared. So please check out his channel. And here's Anthony's name. That's his channel. Let's talk about prepping. That's Tyler. He always got his water. Cheryl Hirsch, DIY Fun. Little Prepper Lady. And let's see, Magnification of Imagination. That's Reed's channel. Please check him out. Prepping in Progress. Really good channel. Please check that out. Sorry, kids. This is going to be a long one today. What the heck did I do with it? Oops. I got tossed in the bucket. Okay. Again, until end of August, everybody should have 2,500 in a red state, 4,100 in a blue state, 10,000 in a passbook. Do not touch. I'm trying to get everybody back to normal and fairly wealthy or rich. But it's a little hard because a lot of people don't understand finances. Okay, that way. Sorry about this, kid. Today's topic is blog for Irish, Winging It with Irish Colleen. We're going to talk about water for SHTF and those little plastic jugs. Okay, for short term, if it's something like 14 to 15 to 18 days, you're going to be sunk. All right. Now I'll explain that. Let me flip this over. Okay, I went over January. You want to get rice. All right, your choice. I already talked about it, and it's in my videos. I don't want to repeat myself. February was pasta, dry pasta. March was beans, peas, and lentils, dried. April was dry milk, salt, sugar. May was spam, hash, and corned beef and other canned meats. Uh, June was soups, stews, and sauces, single serving or ready to use. All right. And then uh, fruits and vegetables, that was July. And I think I still got it. Let me move this out of the way. Don't have too much room on my little table. That's a card table. Now don't forget, you want fruits and vegetables canned or dry. All right. Again, fruits and vegetables canned or dry. Go easy on the fruit because a lot of people don't know how heavy these things are. Okay. Uh, Next month in August, we'll be talking about baking mixes. September will be instant mashed potatoes, why I should have it. And yes, I know how to turn instant mashed potatoes into French fries. First thing I learned is Prepper 101. I'm not a prepper. Uncle Alan's an old survivalist. Okay, what else was I talking about? Oh yeah, fats and oil in October. For fats and oil. November will be baking staples. And September will be spices, condiments, and vinegar. I'm going to put that away. This is too much information. And we still got plenty of time. Okay, start with a 3-day supply. Work your way up to a 7-day supply. And then we have 14 days, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. This is basic, easy stuff. Everybody should do it. Department of Homeland Security should pay Uncle Alan to teach the class about it. Oh, Lord. Per individual, be 250 pounds of canned foods, 750 pounds of dry goods or foods, 365 gallons of water per person. And I won't mention that because it's a long speech on that. Your future is my past. I can't say the word because YouTube AI and analog get mad, but you know who I mean. Okay? Are everywhere. Go look at the Democrats, see what they're talking about. Don't argue, don't get mad, don't be a snowflake. Listen and find out, gee, that sounds like Joseph Goebbels or, the other guy. We won't mention his name and you'll figure that out. We have 5 months, 1 week left. We have 1 year. We need 1 year of food and water for a family of 4. So pack it. Family of 4, 1 year of food and water. And 2, for all you gun guys, I like guns, but YouTube won't let me show or talk or do anything. 9mm is not the wonder kid. Okay? I like 9mm, but it won't stop everything and it's not a catch-all. And if you only shoot maybe every once so often, don't get a big head about it. Okay? This coincides. Do not play Batman in the Boondocks. I'm afraid that I know somebody that will run around in a Satan cape, satin, run around saying, I'm Batman. That's all I need. And right now in America, we have 183 million of the bad guys. And I won't say it because, again, YouTube gets mad because and I can't do that too often because they get mad too, the analog. So I can't do that, so I have to put that away. I wish I could tell you guys, but I can't. Okay, please check out these books. What's kind of funny is these books are getting harder and harder to find every year. I know some outlets are trying to burn them down. Now, Colleen, try to get this book from Amazon. This will help you out in your food and prepper making. It's very good. And it's by these folks. I will get a used copy to save some money. Another book I do recommend is this one. Now, Hubble's Cat got it, and I hope he read it, by these people. Oh, wait, where are they? By those people, if you can see that, the Urban Homestead. Now, water's real quick. I showed the books. See that, study that. Okay, main thing is for your main water supply for a short period of time for a person is an immediate bulk container. Okay, you could use it for regular water storage or you could use it for rainwater storage. Now here's Uncle Alan's trick. Intermediate bulk containers comes in two sizes, 275 or the 330 gallon size. They are made of plastic with a reinforced cage. They have a spigot on the bottom and they have a wide fill hole on top. They're the same footprint as a shipping crate, so you can put it on a shipping pallet. And some are stackable. You got to make sure you got the right kind of intermediate bulk container so you could stack it. Nice thing they drain at the bottom, so there's no cutting or fitting, just put in connections and that's it. I do recommend it. And if you got that, that covers your water source for one person and get a couple of 55-gallon plastic drums. That isn't expensive. And if you look around carefully, Uncle Al lives in an ag community. So his prices runs anywhere from $140 to about $450. Depends, because it's the hot season, so everybody's grabbing one of these containers. But in the winter, the price drops and I can get a better deal for a bulk buy. Okay, that's clue number one. And you should read this book on the water thing, okay? And Wayne, yes, you should get 2 55-gallon drums. And yes, I do like your idea for 5-gallon jug thing, water cooler jug thing. Great idea. Check out Wayne at West Wind Survival. Very good. Okay, and that should be it. I did most of my shout outs. I'm going to do a little bit more. Okay, prep for it. Budget Bushcraft, Yankee Outdoors Adventures, GM Survival. Gotta rethink that fishing kit. KFAB, Will Patriot. I think they got it, but I'm not too sure. Will Patriot, good luck. Modern Refugee. Oops. There we go. Modern Refugee. And everybody else. And don't forget Just-in-Time Prepping and Wasteland Prepping. Inspired John. Get some sleep, John. You look like Uncle Alan, old and tired. Catch you later, kids. Sorry it's been a long one. But Uncle Alan got to cover a lot of information in a short period of time because he does things raw. And also, I have a short period of time, so I only got like 900 and something odd things to do, and I got to leave hitting messages. But nobody ever listens to Uncle Al. Remember, December 27th, 2019. And right now we have heat wave throughout the United States and southern storms. And I do mean storms, and a lot of you guys don't understand what's coming up because Uncle Alan's been doing the math for fall and winter. And it looks kind of hinky. So I'll catch you later, kids. This is your old pal, Uncle Alan. And don't forget, I'm Uni. Yay, Democrats. Yay, Pinkos. Okay, kids. Catch you later.